welcome to Daily Dose of Tarot Guidance, where you get readings for yourself in just 1 minute and 11 seconds. Today's pick a card reading is that whenever you are watching this video, whatever time, just count 72 hours from then. Yes, 72 hours from now, definitely, if you are aligned with your energies, well, you will be hearing this good news. It's exciting, isn't it? But yes, that is what the motto of this video is, to give you this good news in short time of just 1 minute and 11 seconds. So if you are interested, sit back and watch this video. Of course, if you are interested for long format videos, that too in Hindi language, you are free to check out my another channel where readings come in a detailed manner almost on alternate days. But here we are with 3 piles for you to select from. So choose one pile and then I'll directly catch you at your reading with your good news. Hello to the people who have chosen here the pile number 1. Well, a definite news that can come your way in the next 72 hours is a news of a travel, a news of some kind of a shift happening, and that is related to your career or your finances. There is a very promising travel that is coming. This travel is just not only for fun. It is going to bring some value in your life. Either it is going to help you in your career or it is going to help you in your money in some way or the other. You just have to be ready to make this shift, to make this travel happen for you. So either you can expect an actual physical travel is happening for you, or you have to basically shift your mindset for a certain thing or so, but there is some kind of a travel or movement, and that is the good news that is coming your way. If you are able to achieve it, not only you will be able to enjoy this relocation, this shift, this movement, travel, whatever you name it, but apart from that, you will also see shifting of your finances and career, that too in upward direction. All you have to do is be focused and just be on your goal to achieve this success. Hello to the people who have chosen here the second pile. Well, very strongly I can see on their cards that in the next 72 hours you are going to get a certain news in your life that will actually help you to detach yourself from something that was worrying you. If you were in a certain stuck loop where you were not able to have a closure for yourself, or you were continuously thinking what to do about a certain situation, person, or any scenario that you were obsessing over, finally you will be able to come out of it. Finally you will be finding some clarity, and whatever was haunting you, whatever overthinking and thoughts was fogging your brain, clogging your mind, you will be getting ready to come out of it victoriously and start afresh. And if not starting afresh, definitely at least you are able to just cut this bullshit attitude from your life and do something that gives you more peace. Your mind will start feeling lighter for yourself, and you will be able to find a clearer picture that will help you to move ahead. So you are going to have detachment. Hello to the people who have chosen here the pile number 3. Well, you can expect something very major happening for you in the next 72 hours. Your pile is having the strongest energy of all the 3 piles. I can see there is basically a reality shift, paradigm shift. Your personality shift feels like a personality development, character development happening just within next 72 hours. I can see that your intuition is taking over on you. Your intuition, or you can say your higher self, is finally starting to show its true picture to you, and you will let go of the illusions from your life. You will be able to align with your future self and what you should do, what you should not do. That will help you to lead your life in a perfect way, is going to help you a lot. In the next 72 hours, you can definitely expect some illusions are shattering from your life, and you will be able to connect with your higher self. And once you connect with your higher self, you are actually able to place the dots and in fact map out your future yourself that makes you flow easily in your life.